the deputy commissioner, the superintendent of police in the district level, in the sub-division level, assistant commissioner, then again police inspector, then the tahsildar in the taluka level. They must be having so much of knowledge in various subjects. The language, developing it is very easy. But digesting the wordings, phrases and sentences, it is not so easy. Whereas the people of Chandel, this court is your court. It is not a distant institution. It is your neighbor. It is your guardian and your forum of justice. Approach it with confidence, using it to resolve disputes peacefully, to protect the rights and to strengthen the bonds of justice and harmony in your community, in the societies. We have to dedicate ourselves. There shall be some constitutional visions of justice, that is social justice, economic justice and political justice. Justice must not remain an abstract ideal. It must be seen and seems to have been done. It must be felt and experienced in the daily lives of the people who are the citizens of this country. This is the true measures of a successful judiciary. It is an independence of the judiciary. This is the actual intendment of the district judiciary as to be established in every district.